Harshita from Evolution Careers. Today we are going to have a session on how to fight depression. A very well-known word, depression. What is depression? It is not a disease. It's not like coronavirus. It's not like a fever. It is not like pneumonia. It is just an imbalance or disorder of your body. When I talk about disorder, it of course is connected with mental health. It is connected with mind and body. Well, doctors help us in treating our physical health, in treating our physiological health. Physiology of the body can be controlled by medications, but when we talk about mind, it cannot be controlled by any medicines. Of course, we can give relaxation to our mind by taking a lot of sedatives. A depressive patient or cases have been treated that way. But what and how can we fight depression? Depression, we all, millions of people across the world, they pass through depression. They pass through this phase. The only difference is many pass a minor, many pass an acute, many pass through a very serious through this phase of depression. When we talk about a minor and acute, might be we are not liking the way we are. We might compare ourselves with others. When we talk about serious and a vulnerable case of depression, it could lead to even suicidal attempt, suicide too. Well, when we were talking about how to fight depression, it doesn't require any medication, just simple technique. The first is, give yourself a space to talk. Be yourself. Don't try to imitate others. Don't try to compare yourself with others, because we all have our own speciality. In all my session, I used to talk this. We are gifted as an individual. We all have some potential, some goods. We need to just understand and identify for what we are. So first, be yourself. Give a space to yourself. Depressive person usually might feel lazy, otherwise inactive or hyperactive. When you pass through such symptom, you're afraid, you tremble when you sleep, you don't wake up at all the next day morning. Fight against your thoughts. When a thought comes, can I do this? In Hindi we say, क्या ये मैं कर सकती हूँ? Yes, instead of when you get the thought, just fight with the thought. हाँ, ये मैं कर सकती हूँ. When you start thinking opposite of your negative thoughts, what happens in your brain is we actually fight with the thought, and the moment we fight with the thought, it re-energizes your body. So just fight with the thought. The second step is do the things that you wish to do. We wish to, for example, I would quote my own example here. I am not a person who visit saloons, beauty parlors on a regular basis in the sense like monthly once, no. But if I'm passing through some emotional trauma or might be a depressive stage, do something that you don't do it. Try something new. Step 2, try something new. Try something that is not your way. It will either make you happy, make you feel something, a new experience, or might be it may also end up not having any sort of big change. But of course, you will experience at least 1% change. Third thing, be happy. Try to laugh loud. Not, of course, that after hearing this session, you simply go to the balcony in an odd time you start laughing loud. Then you should not come and tell that this lady who told in the YouTube had asked me to laugh loud, so I went and I laughed loud. I'm not responsible for that, because if you laugh loud that way, then of course it would be considered the other way. Laugh loud in the sense like go to a place where it is surrounded with enough of oxygen. Best is like parks or garden. Laugh loud. It will re-energize your body. It will re-energize your mind. Revital yourself. It will give you grounds for new thoughts. So just laugh loud. Vent out your emotions. If you want to cry, cry loud. If you want to laugh, laugh loud. If you just want to fight, just show your anger in doing something constructive instead of doing something destructive. Don't beat yourself hard, because you'll end up in a fracture. Whenever I'm angry, I used to wash my clothes by my hand, not using machine. So I'm doing something constructively. So do something constructively that ends up positive for you. It looks funny, but it works. Step 4, try to have a proper diet. Depression, when we pass through depressive phases, when we pass through mood swings, depression always involves mood swings, emotional tantrums, emotional pressures. So have proper diet. We always forget to have diet. Either we go for binge eating, otherwise we don't eat it all. So have a proper diet. Proper diet doesn't mean to go on for a gym or go for a dieting. No, not at all. Have a balanced diet. In the morning, have pulses, having timely food and having food that is made out of, the seasonal fruit, seasonal vegetables on time, that will help you. The next step, I believe it is step number 6. The most important thing, try to fight your negative thoughts. Speak to yourself. If you're not comfortable speaking to yourself, because many depressive patients, they are not comfortable speaking to themselves. They don't find comfortable even to express them or to express themselves. In that case, just find someone whom you are confined to, whom you abide to talk. Talk to the person. Talk to a person. Talk more. You would have seen an example of the well-known actress Deepika Padukone. She was an example of, she passed through this phase. She fought depression. In fact, she also runs an NGO where they treat depressive patients. So when we talk about that, she fought depression. How? Only through talks. She used to talk about her emotions, talk about how she felt, talk about her various happenings. What happened in turn? She fought depression. So when we feel the person who passed through this phase, they might be hesitant, they don't talk, they might write on the wall, they may scribble on papers, they may confine themselves only to a single room of 8 by 8. They may not like to see the outer world. Stop this. These are all negative thoughts. Just cut it. Talk to person. Talk to anyone whom you feel comfortable, safe and secured. So when you talk, you express, and when you express, you vent out, and when you vent out, we feel relaxed. That's it. That is a simple technique that we are looking for. And this is what is depression. We get that happiness feeling. We feel wow. We feel joy. We feel wonderful. This is what is a very easy step to fight depression. What is depression? Do you think our ancestors had depression? In fact, they faced those thoughts. They faced those struggles in life that we are not actually passing through that. Of course, we have our own challenge in our era. They had in their era. But do you think depression was there that time? Was any antidepressant available during those days? No. They used to talk to their neighbors. They used to talk to their friends. See, in this digital world, we are much addicted towards Android. We stopped moving to our friends. Thanks to COVID, one way it has actually destroyed and demolished various things, and of course, it has taken away lives. I feel sorry for that. But in the other way, it has also made us confined. It has knitted ourselves to us with our family. So talk to yourself, talk to the family members. Now, step 7, if you are comfortable walking, or if you are if you are meant to go for exercises, if that is your path, please go for a healthy morning walk. If you are so lazy, then at least walk in your apartment. Very lazy, around your villa. Because I am very lazy. I did that. Not because I fought with depression. I usually go through this. Because I can be a good example for lazy persons who find difficulty getting up early in the morning in the initial phases. But now I'm brisk enough, I do that. So start this. Next is when we talk about the step 8. Very interesting and something very new new too in this. If you feel that I am passing through something which I don't know, which is something strange in my body, do one thing, visit the doctor. If the doctor prescribes certain medicine, talk to yourself, analyze, and this will help you fight with depression. The last, when we express ourselves, just tell yourself, confirm, affirm, both. I again repeat, confirm as well as affirm that there are much stupid than you also. There are so many idiots than you also available. Sorry to use that word. It's only to tell your mind that you're not so stupid. You have something new in you. Identify. I have taken much time out of my depression. Now my depression should not fight. It should not. It should not fight with me. I should win this depression. So the race is on and I'm going to win. That's it. There is nothing end. Whatever happens today, tomorrow is always a new day. Just tell me, today if I wear a white shirt and if it is got spilled with some dirty things. Am I going to wear that tomorrow? No, I'll wear something new. If you're passing through depression, might be you like that, some emotion is concerned, you wear that again. Try something new. Days, today day is not the day tomorrow. We have a new day tomorrow. Wait for the day, wait for the moment. That's it, guys. There are a lot many clinical treatments too, but I would again request, see, I have been treating patients. I have been handling lot many depressive cases too, and many a times even dealing so many depressive cases I become tired. But at the same time, just pass through the phase of, relax yourself. Just go with a stretch out, extend. That's it. Do what you feel to. Don't listen to anyone. Life is once, life is yours. Enjoy the big cup of your life. Be happy, be successful, and enjoy every moment like Kit Kat. Always take a crunch break of 5 minutes, revital yourself, and hit toss and toss. Every Yorker life, every Yorker ball of your life should be a full toss there. That's it. I'm thankful to all of you to take out your 13 minutes 34 seconds for this. Thanks all. Stay tuned. Enjoy life. Life is short. And don't be depressive. Fight depression. That's it. Thank you all.